Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to DesidineIn, where we turn simple ingredients into culinary magic. Today, we are taking a humble tomato and transforming it into a mouth-watering side dish for chapati. If you've been wondering how to spice up your everyday meals, stay tuned because this dish is an absolute game changer. Let's dive in. Alright, let's get started. First up, we'll take those tomatoes to a spa day, wash them, chop them, and grind them into a nice smooth puree. No water needed, let the tomatoes do their thing. Now, let's move on to the real magic, seasoning. Heat up about a tablespoon of oil, toss in a tablespoon of mustard seeds, urad dal, and chana dal. Basically, the gang's all here. Add in some fresh curry leaves for that aromatic pop. And don't forget 2 green chilies for a little kick. Throw in finely chopped onions. And a tablespoon of cumin seeds because why not? Next up, it's tomato puree time. Pour it in like you are a seasoned chef, followed by a quarter tablespoon of turmeric powder for that golden glow, a tablespoon of chili powder for the fire, and 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder for the spice balance. Add a pinch of salt to taste. While adding salt, always trust your taste buds. But wait, here comes the secret ingredient, 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder for that sweet surprise. Stir it all up and let the flavors mingle. Finally, sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves on top. And just when you think it's done, finish with a dash of ghee for buttery richness. Your delicious tomato side dish is ready to pair perfectly with chapati. Yum! And just like that, your chapati has met its perfect match. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tasty, easy to make dishes. Got any fun twists to this recipe? Drop them in the comment below. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep cooking with love and maybe a little ghee. See you soon.